MyFitMed family. Before we get started, subscribe to MyFitMed for science-backed fitness insights. Today we are diving into one of the most misunderstood hormone in the world of fitness, insulin. Whether you are trying to shed fat, build muscle or do both, insulin plays a major role. Let's break it all down so you can work with your body and not against it. First thing first, what is insulin? Insulin is a hormone produced by your pancreas. Its main job is to regulate blood sugar level by helping your cell absorb glucose for energy or to store the glucose. Think of it as a traffic controller for your nutrients in your bloodstream. But insulin isn't just about blood sugar control. It's also critical for nutrient partitioning, deciding whether your food gets stored as a fat, burned for energy, or used to build more muscle. So insulin has a bigger role than just regulating your sugar. What is the deal with insulin and fat loss? When insulin levels are consistently high, like when you are eating a lot of sugary or processed food, your body stays in a storage mode. This means fat breakdown slows down. To burn fat effectively, you want to keep insulin levels steady and avoid constant spikes. Now, the question is, how do you do that? So focus on balanced meal with protein, healthy fats and fiber, and try spacing out your meals to give your body time to lower insulin between eating. Now let's talk muscle gain. Insulin is an anabolic hormone, meaning it helps build tissues like muscle. After a workout, insulin sensitivity increases and your muscle become like a sponges, ready to soak up nutrients. This is why post-workout nutrition is so important. A quick tip, pair protein with fast digesting carbs after your workout to optimize insulin muscle building effect. Think whey protein shake with banana. That's perfect combination. So how do you manage your insulin based on your goal? So for fat loss, keep your insulin level steady. Prioritize whole foods, avoid constant snacking, and try incorporating activity like fasting, low carb eating, lifting weights, exercising regularly. For muscle gain, leverage insulin spikes post-workout with carb-protein combos. Tracking your meals and workout can help you see how your body responds to different strategies. So before we wrap it up, let's bust some myths. Myth number 1, insulin always makes you fat. But the fact is, it's not insulin itself, but overeating, poor food choices that leads to fat gain. Constant insulin spike causes weight gain. Myth number 2, carbs are the enemy. But the fact is, smart carb timing can actually fuel your workout and muscle growth. So make sure you eat right carb and at the right time. To sum it up, insulin isn't the bad guy. It's a tool, whether your goal is fat loss, muscle gain or both. Understanding insulin can help you work smarter, not harder. If you find this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up, hit a subscribe and drop your question in the comment below. I would love to hear how you're optimizing your fitness journey. Stay fit, stay healthy, see you in the next time.